Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to download and install WizTree. This is a free application and it is the best application. It is a very fast disk space analyzer for Windows. And also we will try to download now WizTree into. Once you type WizTree, you will open this WizTree link first from the website. Just click this one. You can see here WizTree, the official website for this WizTree, and the fastest disk space analyzer. So this is the best application to analyze the disk spaces and where which folder is full, and we can finalize from there. And you can click here download. Once you click download, it will be downloaded. And also I will tell you, WizTree is a free for personal use only. And if you want to use for commercial use and for businesses, you need require a license. You have to purchase license, except for the PCs, and you can download and you can install. So we will install directly. Download installer. You can see here free for personal use. So for one laptop or one device, there is no issue. You can download and use. But if you want to use for the supported version enterprise license, it is available here. So we will use this one as of now here, like download installer. So it will be downloaded here. You can see here it is downloading. Once the download is finished, we will install this application. Yes, now we can see it is downloaded. Just open folder. From here we can see here WizTree, and right click, run as administrator. Now you can see here, select setup language, click. You can select the languages, and I will select English. Click OK, and accept the license and terms. Click next. It is installing in the program files. Okay, look next. Okay, next. Create desktop shortcut. Okay, and also create a quick launcher shortcut. Keep it as it is. Next, install. So launch WizTree. Okay, finish. You can see here the application is open and installed quickly without any interruptions. You can see here now I just choose the D drive and just choose the C drive. It is scanning all the files in my entire computer of the C drive only. I choose only C drive and D drive. If I change the D drive, I can see here the size and allocated, and it is showing like all the specified spaces for the folders where it is consuming too much space. We can see inside this which one is big files, and we can see here disk image file. So as per that, for example, local disk C, you can here local disk C, you can see here users 12.1 GB and program files 15.9 GB. So users, once I click on users, you can see it is showing the folders, which folder, the user folder, which one is using consuming too much space from the C drive. So as per that, you can analyze that, and inside that we can see which folder is taking too much space. As per that, we can clean our disk space. So this is the best application to use personal use, and it is free from the WizTree. So if you want to use for the commercial and business, you have to purchase for the license. And so I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.